Also developing at 5, arguments in federal court. Parents filed suit over a new Texas law requiring the 10 Commandments to be on display in school classrooms. They're suing several school districts, including Northeast, Alamo Heights, and Northside ISDs. Essentially, they're trying to get a judge to block it from going into effect on September 1st. KENS 5 reporter Meredith Haas is live tonight. So Meredith, what happened in the courtroom today?
Well, Henry, the federal judge made no decision today. Not yet. That will happen Monday. But what happened today in this federal courtroom is a complete dissection of the 10 Commandments, where they have fit in American history and if they have ever fit in American history, along with whether they now belong in Texas public schools. Now, the plaintiffs argue is through expert witness. It is saying that it is coercion to place the 10 Commandments in a specific font and poster size in schools, and that it goes against the First Amendment, and that in the history of the United States, quote, one government must not prefer one religion over the other. They also cite other lawsuits that struck down similar laws as evidence the mandate is unconstitutional. The defense argues all of American history has had the 10 Commandments embedded into it, one way or another. They argue through expert witness that the commandments are not rules to follow or a law to abide, but to, quote, remind students of a fundamental foundation. Now, present in the courtroom were representatives with Texas Values Organization.
But look, the arguments by the ACLU have been extremely weak. I think that they're also frustrated, I think, because there's indications across the state that a lot of school districts, they are very comfortable with this new state law and that they're looking forward to following the law by having these posters up come September 1.
Now, of course, the exact opposite is being argued by the plaintiffs at this time. Now, again, we did not get a decision from the federal court today from that judge, but they will reconvene come Monday morning at 10 a.m. via Zoom. Now, the judge did tell us he will not make an official decision come Monday, but they should expect one before that deadline of September 1st. Reporting live outside the federal courthouse, Meredith Haas, KENS 5.